Welcome to CoinChanger, the revolutionary platform that allows you to effortlessly transfer and withdraw your Tether USDT to PayPal instantly, without the hassle of registration. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to make this exchange seamlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and visit CoinChanger's website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface. Enter the amount of Tether USDT you wish to transfer to your PayPal account in the dedicated field. Next, provide your PayPal email address. Double-check that it is accurate, as any errors may result in failed transactions. Rest assured, CoinChanger takes security seriously, ensuring the safety of your funds throughout this process. Now, you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction details. Take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the transfer button to initiate the exchange. Within seconds, your Tether USDT will be converted to PayPal funds, instantly available for your use. It's that simple. CoinChanger's efficient and secure system, powered by advanced technologies, makes this exchange process smooth and reliable. We prioritize user convenience, eliminating the need for tiresome registration procedures. Remember, CoinChanger offers real-time competitive rates, guaranteeing you the best value for your Tether USDT. Plus, with no registration required, you can save valuable time and get on with your day. So why wait? Join thousands of satisfied customers who have successfully transferred and withdrawn their Tether USDT to PayPal with CoinChanger. Experience the future of instant cryptocurrency exchanges today. Thanks for choosing CoinChanger, revolutionizing the way we exchange and withdraw cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and we are always here to help you.